Hi, Samantha and Ashley. Let me take a look at your work. Okay, I appreciate how you've masked out the starbursts. Although starbursts are overused, I think I sent you the link at least once, maybe a couple times. It's a trend that was probably pretty big in the late 90s. People don't have a tendency not to use those starbursts anymore, though. So take a look at that link. It talks about alternatives. Anyway, I like to see that you're using unique fonts here. That does help push your piece towards a younger audience. Consider being consistent, and at least maybe the word current could be in that cool font. Otherwise, consider making Phonotech a little larger or a little fatter. Even though it's in purple and it's at the bottom of the page, keeping you current is more dominant. Let me show you what I mean here. So Melody has done a nice job of really making Phonotech at the top of the visual hierarchy. I think that's super important to clients, of course, because they want to sell their brand as much as possible. Other than that, I love how you've brightened the photo. It really helps. It does look a little odd to have the hand cut off like that. One thing you can do to combat that sort of floating hand thing is just to make the image larger. You can always have it pop out of Phonotech. Just an idea. Something to keep in mind. All right, Ashley, let me look at yours. I remember loving this. I still do. All right, so it's a fantastic design. It shows a lot of skill. Let's see, my screen's a little dirty here. Let me see what I'm seeing. Okay, I thought I was seeing multiple bullet points, but it's just my dirty screen. So it's fantastic. I think you could take a page out of Melody and Samantha's work and really brighten the heck out of that photo. I mean, otherwise, this is just absolutely gorgeous design. So see what Samantha has done. How super bright and beautiful that is. If you put that in here, really enhance that orange. I think it'll just make the entire piece pop. I didn't notice it so much over here until I looked over here. I think this phone is just kind of dark to begin with. Let me show you Lori's. See how she's actually brightened it and turned it into the showpiece on the front page. So imagine that super bright photo, but right here. You see how that would just pop off the page? Anyway, that's all I have. Let me know if you have any questions.